Hi, it's Jin Yang, and today we're gonna work on homework number 1. Okay, so let's read the question first. There are 60 animal exhibits at the local zoo. What percent of the zoo's exhibits does each animal class represent? So what we need to do is look at the numbers and then the percentages, so that we need to figure out the percentages and put it here. Okay, so let's read the chart. Exhibits by animal class: mammals, reptiles and amphibians, fish and insects, birds. Number of exhibits: 30, 15, 12, and 3 each. So let's solve the question. Okay, so there's total 60 animals. And what we need to find is we need to find the ratio, okay? The percentage. And we need to first find the ratio and then change it into percentage so we can know the percentage, okay? So if we look at the first one, it's 30 exhibits out of 60 exhibits. So the ratio would be 30 to 60. And we can simplify this very easily. We just have to divide it by 30. Okay, then it will be 1 to 2, which will be 1/2, and we already know that this is 50%, right? Because it's half of a 100%, and half of 100 is 50. Okay, first one is easy, and let's go to the second one. When I look at the second one thing I notice is that there's some kind of connection between the first one and the second one. See? It's divided by 2. It's half. And if the numbers are half, wouldn't the ratio and the percentage be half too? Yeah, wouldn't it? But first, we need to check. So what we want to check right here is that whether it's actually 25% or not, And then, so what we need to do is there's 15 exhibits out of 60. And what we need to do to simplify is divide by 15. Really easy. Or you could just look at it and divide it by 3 and then 5 again, or whichever you like, okay? And so if we divide by 15, it's 1 to 4. And this is 1/4, which is equivalent to 25 hundredths, and which is equivalent to 25%. Yes, we got it right. And yeah, just half. And then for the fish and insects, we have 12 exhibits out of 60. And this one is a little bit tricky because to know it, you have to kind of divide by other numbers. But let's just look at 12. Does this divide by 12? Yes. Does this divide by 12? Yes, it does. So if you divide by 12 to simplify, it will be 1 to 5, which is 1/5, which is 20 hundredths, and which is 20%. And I see another connection, and this new connection, it's between fish and insects and birds. Look at this. Do these relate to these? Yeah, because this is half and this is, what is 3 times blah is 12. The blah would be 4, right? So this would be divided by 4, which is a quarter of the number. Yeah. And wouldn't the ratio also be divided by 4, a quarter? Yeah, it's pretty much gonna be, but we just need to check, We just need to make sure. So it's 3 to 60, which is 3/60, which is 120, which is 500, which is 5%. Yes, 20 divided by 4 is 5, right? So 5% is correct. And now we have solved all the percentage of the animal class. I hope you understood, and thank you for watching.